I have my colors ready. I have yellow ochre and I have azo orange, and I got them ready to go. I always have paint before I do anything else. I got my largest brush possible, and I'm going to paint with water. And it's just the lower section that has got a little bit of color. In the distance, I don't have a lot of color. It's hardly any color. Just a little bit. Painting with water only. Only water. We're going to be really talking about texture here. We're going to be using cheesecloth. We're going to be using Frisket to create lots of texture. So, lots of color there. Now, I'm going to start to add just a little bit of color. I don't want one color. I want a variety of colors happening, because that's what we see in this painting. A little bit yellowy, more yellowy colors in here. A little richer. So see how fast I'm going? I'm not all concerned with trying to make it look just perfect. It's just a quick little run through. Now that's a little bit more intense back there with color in the distance. I'm painting the direction that I see the water flowing, and I see this all happening back in here. All that same color, just like this. And I can paint right over my Frisket because it doesn't matter. That's going to stay nice and white. I'm going really fast. I'm not caught all up in all the details. Really quick. All over this. There's splashing going on over here. I've left a couple of holes in here so you can see where some texture is going on. And it seems like it's a little bit brighter orange down here at the bottom. But there's not a lot of color there. Just a little bit of color. Okay? And he's in the water and there's a little bit of a stream, so I didn't put Frisket there, but I can just lay in the color like that. Got a little bit of rusty color in there, and I actually like that, so I'm going to put a little bit more in. Typically, when you paint, you want to have a little more darkness on the bottom, because what happens is it grounds your piece so it sits kind of like a frame, and it makes your viewer's eye go into the piece.